Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to make a good password. Here are some tips for creating a strong password. The first tip, use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. Mix them up and avoid using predictable pattern or sequences. The second tip, use a password that at least 12 to 16 characters long. Longer passwords are generally more secure than shorter ones. Third tip, avoid using easily guessable information such as your name, birth date, or other personal information. This includes using common words or phrases or easily identifiable information. Use a unique password for each account. Avoid reusing password across multiple accounts, as this increases the risk of all your accounts being compromised if one password is compromised. Consider using a passphrase instead of a password. A passphrase is a series of words or sentences that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. And finally, avoid using commonly used or easily guessable passwords such as password or 1234. The good advice or the good tip is to use a password manager. To have a password manager is really very good to generate and store strong password for each of your account. Password manager can also help you to keep track of your password and ensure you are using unique password for each account. Finally, remember that the goal of a strong password is to make it difficult for others to guess or crack by using a combination of the tips above. You can create a strong and unique password that help you to keep your account safe. Thank you for watching and goodbye.